press system and then press the arrow key until you see PMCMNT on the left hand side there. So PMCMNT, press that, yeah, and then from there you press data, and that is your tools. So if you look at the 0 where the D is, the 0, that means that tool 9 is now in the spindle. And then on the left hand side is your pocket number. So if you look at, for example, pocket 6 has got tool 16. So if you put T16 M6, it would access what's in pocket 6. So coming round here then, the yellow dot is tool 1. So you count your way around, not tool 1, pocket 1. So you got pocket 1, pocket 2, pocket 3, pocket 4, pocket 5 is that cutter there. So if we wanted that tool there, what we'd do is go over to here and look what's in pocket 5, and it's tool 10. So if we then went MDI and we went T10 M6 end of block insert, if you want to press that, I'll be able to see it do it. And then when you press cycle start, puts that one away, goes round to my tool, and then it will put that tool back in that pocket when we do another tool change. So do another tool change, just put something like T1 M6, we'll start, yep, and that's gone back where it got the other tool from. So that's the idea of a random tool changer. It always puts the tool back where it got the last one from, which speeds it up. And also, because you can pre-select the tools, you can tell it what tool to get ready, and it gets that tool ready for what you're doing. And then when it changes tools, it just puts them back. So you've got to look at that pocket table. Unfortunately, on this tool changer, all the numbers are dropped off. So we only know where pocket 1 is, and we're going to count our way around to find it. But as I say, you can get to that screen. It's a bit tricky, but